Back to my channel. Today I come with a new amazing video. In this video I'm going to talk to you about X TRX Tron Fund, and I give you a complete review about this website. Please watch the video complete. Let's start the video. Before starting the video, I request my all viewers and subscribers, please like this video and subscribe my channel. This is my second video on this project because I am again come to this project to invest, show you how to invest in this website, and I also show how to take our draft from this website. Let's start the video. Before starting the video, I request my all viewers and subscribers, please like this video and also subscribe my channel. Now I go to the my trust wallet and Tron Pro Link account to show you how to make account and in this website and how to earn a profit by using this website. Now friends, I click on a Tron Pro Link. After the clicking Tron Pro Link, you can see that here. After the clicking of this, you can check here. This is the my TRX quantity. You can see that I have a 25 TRX. Now I need to show you how to you deposit and take a text in this website. First friends, you need to some steps to follow this app. In the first, you go to your trust Play Store app. By going to Play Store, you need to search Tron Pro Link. After the Tron Pro Link, you can download this app. Such as you can see that I have already downloaded the app. I need to only click on open option. After the opening, you can see that I open in this new tab. After the opening, you can see that this is the look of this web. First, you need to buy your TRX. No, you need to click on a TRX. After the clicking, you need to click on a deposit. After the depositing, you can see that after the depositing, you need to amount send up to amount. You can see that you need to deposit here up to the TRX can be deposited. Sorry, not this is you can need to click on a receive option. After the receive option, you can see that you need to copy your address and send your friends which have a TRX and you can buy from the Binance. I will explain you another video how to buy the TRX. After this, you need to go this address. After going this, you need to paste the address which I provide you in the description. Such as friends, I copied already. You can check there. I already copied this link in from the account of this my. Now I open this by using this feature, but I give you a complete review. Please watch the video complete. Let's friends, I click on this tab browser. After the clicking this tab, you can see that after the clicking this, I need to click on a deposit options. Now friends, you can see that I click on deposit. After this, I need to click on this search button. After the clicking search button, I need to click on a tab browser. After this, I need to paste the address here. After the pasting address, I need to click on a send option. You can see that I send on this. You can see that not result founded. I need to go back here and you can see that it again not founded result. Now I clear this. After the clearing this, you can see that it has the address this. Now I click on this. After the pasting file, first I need to paste the address here, then I need to check this account. You can see that I have checked this account because there is a problem in this. Now I solve this. After the solving, I need to click on that. After the clicking that, you can see that I click on a search button and you can see that my website xtron.finance are in a loading. Now I wait for the complete sending of this. Now you can see that it's ended successful. Enter into the successfully website. First, you need to check your account name xtron.fund. You can see that X are stakes average 10x return a year. The first blockchain certifies of deposit high return, no minimums, decentralized design, and 350,088 9 wallet already XOR. Then you can see that make the investment. Now I give you a complete how you can make the investment in this website. First, you need to talk about the all information to lower transaction gas fee. Recharge Heart is building a neutron fork called Pulse Chain. In the down, you can see that this sacrifice phases is live. Rates go up 5% per day. In the down, you can see that we will 1000% your funds. You can check that without any risk. In the down, you can see that unlimited earning with always growing rates. We provide investment condition with growing percentage depending on basic interest rate. Smart contract total balance bonus and personal hold bonus maximal available profit. And friends, in the down, you can see that total investment account, total active participant, check certificates of this website. You can check here. In the down, you can see that investment conditions. The best market offers a basic interest rate. You can 5% check it basic interest rate 0.3 per day. In the down, you can see that this is the personal recommended bonus 25 commission refer rewards you can see, and down you can see that 0.1% for every 1 lakh TRX on platform balance. You can check here. Now friends, I go down. After the going down, you can check these are the information of this website. Now friends, I go again back. After you can see that these are the current balance of this website. First you need to working only with Tron network, minimum deposit 1000 TRX, total income 1600 TRX, earning every moment, withdraw anytime. Now friends, I go to the down. You can see that after the going down, you can see that how to work with platform simples, 3 steps to get earning. In the down you can see that step 1, make deposit. First you buy your Tron TRX from the many websites such as Banco, mobile apps, Tron wallets such as Tron Mask. In the down you can see that in the down you can see that I click on how to get TRX. After the clicking the how to get TRX, you can see that it's loading. First you need to swap your TRX. It is the sunswap.com. You can check here. Now friends, I go back here. Now I go back here. After the going back, I give you a complete review about this website. Here you can see that send TRX to your own smart contract. Here by clicking smart contract you can check here. After the clicking here, you can check here. The second step is get your Tron every moment, and you can check also your wallet information including your deposit, earning, withdraw and refers statistics in real time. The obtained Tron can be exchanged for USD or TRX on just swap. In the down friends, you can see your wallet statistics. I give you a complete review how to get wallet statistics and how you can bind your wallets. First friends, you need to click on a check wallet statistics. Now I click on a check wallet statistics. After the clicking wallet statistics, you can see that my ref link is that. You can check here. You can copy from this website and share this link with your partner to get refer rewards. You should have active deposit to unlock affiliate bonuses. You will get no rewards without active deposits. Now friends, I go down. You can see that I already deposited in this website 100 TRX to show you how to deposit in this website. Now I go down. Now I click on your invitation code. You can copy there. Now friends, I go down back. After the going back, I go to the invest option. You can see that I click on a make deposit. After the clicking of make deposit, you can check here. I click on a make deposit. Now I click on a 7-day and 1-day package. You can check here. Now you can see that I have a 25 TRX balance. Now I need to invest in this website. First I have a balance. Now I buy my TRX from the website. Friends, here you can see that I successfully deposited. Now I go back here. After the going back, you can check here. My wallet have a 225 TRX. Now I show you how to invest in this website. For the investing, now I go back to the my me option. Sorry, tab browser. After the going tab browser, now I click on the Tron Finance. After the clicking as Tron Finance, now I need to click on a deposit option. Now I go down to search a make a deposit. Now click on a make deposit. After the clicking make deposit, you can see that I have a TRX 225. Now I search and I write 100 TRX. You can see that after the clicking 100 TRX, I click on a deposit. Now after the clicking deposit, now you can see that I click on this option such as continue. After the clicking continue, you can see that I have 100,000 TRX. After the clicking this, my fee is that. You can check here. First I take a screenshot for this because for privacy and other options. Now friends, I click on a confirm option. After the clicking confirm, I need to paste my password here, and here you can see that I will password field here. Now I click on a confirm option. After the clicking confirm, you can see that my transaction are in a loading. You can see that deposit successfully. Now I again take a screenshot of this. You can check here. Now I go down. After the going down, you can see that I go back here. After the going back, now I go to the my investments option to show you check wallets statistics. I click on a check wallet statistics. Now you can see that I have deposited successfully 200 TRX in this website, and you can see that now I click on again this. After the clicking screenshot, you can see that I again here back. You can see that this can I withdraw, but this can I not withdraw because it working, and you can check here. Now I am going to come to show you how to take a withdraw by using this website. Now I already pasted and invested in this website 100 TRX. Now I show you how to take a withdraw of this. Now friends, I go back and I click on a withdraw option. After the clicking withdraw, I need to click on a confirm option. After the clicking confirm, I need to password put here. Now friends, I click on a confirm option. After the clicking confirm, you can see that it will be reloading, so I can send you see the all information. You can see that withdrawal successfully. Go go to the wallet statics to check. Now I go back here. After the going back, you can see that I go back here, and you can see that I received successfully a 100 TRX by using this website. I hope friends you like this video, and I'll subscribe my channel. Take care, goodbye, and you can like this video and I'll share with friends, and your friends invest in this website. Take care, goodbye.